Welcome everybody, Bobby. Two Pops of Breaks. It is Tuesday, December the 15th, and we're breaking Bon Box. Full-size helmet. Series of one box break, and we did random teams on your left. We've already randomized the teams, randomized the customers. We then alphabetized the customer list, bunches everybody's entries together, makes for trading a little easier. Before we did any of that, though, we randomed up our 35 or 34? I think it's 30. Thought it was 35. Just want to double check there, guys. Yes, sir. 35 remaining box numbers, and we actually got 34. So here we go. Came out of the gate hitting big in the early part of the series. Unfortunately, tonight we pulled some of the stuff farther down on our checklist there. Alright, guys, well, it's going to be another Eclipse. Not a bad one, though, guys. A little better value for you, but just not one of our gigantor flexes or F7s there. A little hard to see, guys, but that is a Baltimore hit. That is going to be the Ray Lewis. Baltimore also has the Hall of Fame inscription on it, everybody. Has the Beckett certification and card on it. Cards right there. Damn light. Alright, so who has Baltimore? Well, that's going to be a Pac-Man hit there. Finally, Pac-Man getting a hit. He hasn't been hitting too great lately, guys. Last 3 or 4 series have not treated him good at all. I think he's only been hitting like 1 helmet a series. Out of the last 3 or 4, yeah. He's on a roll early, but his luck dried up a bit there, so he's going to take home the Ray Lewis. Had the Hall of Fame inscription. And we're going to bring up our qualifier. We're going to take 1 of packs out. We got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 times. Well, I got both the Joes, Joey Oland and Joe Hoffdale. That is going to be qualifiers number 15 and 16, everybody. We're only 8 boxes into our series of 42. A whole lot of big hits left there for you, folks. So stop on by. Bobby, 2 Pops Breaks, 8 Central. Have a great one.